going to measure from my waist down to my ankle. This is going to give me my outseam, which will tell me in turn how long my pant legs should be. This will also determine how much I need to shorten my hems. Just to zoom in a little bit, I'm about a 35.5 in measurement. You'll want to take that 35.5 inches and measure from your waist down to the bottom of one leg. You can see here I'm about 10 inches longer than the 35.5, so I'm actually going to pin mark 35.5 inches to mark my finished length of the pant. This is what I want my final finished length to be. When I go ahead and cut off the excess, I don't want to cut right at 35.5 inches. I want to cut about 1.5 to 2 inches longer than that so that I have enough of a hem to roll under. This is just an extra tip on how to cut your pant legs the same length. I'm going to fold the pants in half and match them up leg to leg and make sure that the crotch seam is matching from the middle of the crotch all the way down to the hem, and then I'm going to actually cut them together. So once I've marked off my finished length and given myself some seam allowance, I'm going to cut the two pant legs at the same time, so that way I know I'm cutting the same amount off of each leg. Turn both pant legs inside out to start. You'll want your pant hems to be folded to the wrong side of the pant. Having them folded inside out will actually allow you to see that hem length in order to press it properly. I'm double checking my measurement and marking the finished hem length. This will make it easier when I need to press the pant hem up. Opened up the sides of my pant leg on both seams, so the inseam as well as the outseam. And I've done this because it'll actually make the hem lay much flatter when you're actually pressing it. If you haven't marked your hem previous to this step with chalk, I'll often go back in with my ruler to just make sure that the hem length is consistent all the way around. So in this case, I'm making sure that I've got that 1 inch folded into my hem all the way around. Once I've gotten everything pinned, you'll want to make sure that you're stitching this from the outside of the fabric. This allows you to see where you're stitching, especially since you want the outside of the pant to look really neat. You'll also want to make sure that your needle is placed a good distance away from the edge of your pant so that you ensure you're catching the top of the hem that you've folded onto the inside of the pant.